I am visiting mosque in every country. This is one of the beautiful and newly central mosques in northern Nigeria. MashaAllah. Yo, tourist lover, welcome back to my channel. This is your one and only Pan African tourist DJ, King Hamad, the DJ. So, the first thing we need to do our ablution before we enter mosque because today is Juma. You know, Juma is the biggest celebration, is the biggest day in Islam, and this is northern Nigeria. We have highest population of Muslim. This is biggest Muslim state. So we're doing ablution. After ablution, we are going to enter mosque. So let's go and enter this beautiful and amazing mosque in northern Nigeria. So let's enter now. This mosque is so amazing and incredible. You can never believe that there is all this beautiful and amazing mosque in northern Nigeria. Like seriously, when you get to north, you see highest population of Muslim from angle to angle, from side to side. Mosque is everywhere. So they are about to call for salat. They will call for salat now, and after salat, they will start the khutbah, which is the lecture, the passing message to the Ummah, to the beautiful people of Islam. So they are about to start the prayer now.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله حي على الصلاة حي على الصلاة حي على الفلاح حي على الفلاح الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله
After calling for Salah, Imam started the khutbah. It was a lovely and amazing moment in this mosque. The message, everything is aligned, is 100%. May God bless our beloved Imam for today. And this is the most respective moment. Immediately Imam said, Allahu Akbar. Everywhere goes silent. No, that is why you need to know that Islam is most peaceful religion. No, it's peaceful. Islam speak about peace and love and light. Yeah, is the front side of the mosque. So now we are going to do the 360 of the mosque. Here is the front side. Can you see? So lovely. The texture, the the aesthetic is given. Like seriously, it's so lovely. I love my time and my moment in this mosque. Can you see that side? That side is for the girls, guest section. Actually, they don't used to have biggest girl female section in northern Nigeria because most of the female they pray at home. So that is just the side. So we're going outside to feel the remaining few, the remaining 360 of the mosque. So here is the pavement. Can you see? Can you see? They still have the rug outside for people to pray outside because they used to have highest population. I wish you can see that after the prayer. I wish I can show that, but unfortunately I can't be able to cover people when they're going out, when they're praying outside. So can you see the structure? The aesthetic is given 100%, 100%. No, this is the right side. Opposite is the ablution section. So we are going to the front side and the second side. Can you see? May God bless all the people that built this mosque. It's so lovely, so amazing. So this is the second side of the mosque. Can you see? So lovely. This the structure is given is modern and amazing. So this is the part of things we need to show to your screen. We cannot just bring only culture. Bringing this to your screen is part of tourist, it's part of explore, it's part of what you're supposed to be seeing on our screen. So this is part of it. This is part of it. We are bringing more to your screen. The best thing for you is to just turn on your notification. God bless you. I love you. Peace. Salam. One love.